our 60 by 28 inch equipment stand. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 60 inches and a depth of 28 inches. Overall height, standing on legs, we have a total of 25 inches. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 53¼ inches and a depth of 20 inches. Located on the left corner is the NSF certification sticker, and this equipment stand will hold the weight for all the units that we sell through our website, such as griddles, broilers, burners, hot plates, and more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.